Alrighty, YouTubers, we are back. It is Tuesday the 4th, I do believe. Hope everyone had a good holiday weekend. Everybody is safe. And we made it. It is Tuesday with an Amazon unboxing. I messed up earlier, so we just do it right out of the box. This is coming from Mornwell countertop oral irrigator. Boom. And hence 10 settings. 30 seconds interval, 2-minute shutoff, 600 milliliter water, 1400 pulses per minute for the spray, low noise design. This is what you get in the box. Get that thing, get the nozzles, the 3 tongue scraper, orthodontic tip, pocket tip, dental mirror. There's those. That's what it do. And of course, you guys could check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you guys can get one at a low cost and see what other goodies they have. So here we go. I filled it up with the water already. And here's one of the nozzles I already put on. It's really easy. See? Pop it in. Then you go boop. Like that. Make sure it's on. That should be locked. There's power. Turn that on, and you guys can see it. Filled it up a little bit with some H2O. You turn it on. You just got to push the button right down here. Whoa! It is shooting. Oh jeez. That action. Oh man. Okay, that's enough. So that's some powerful stuff. Now I gotta clean up. Oh boy. Well, we got, like I said, here's a mirror. Got that. Check underneath. So that's really cool. And then you get these tongue scrapers. And then another nozzle. And another one. And another one. So, really great deal they got going on right now. So this, click on link in the description. And check them out, YouTubers. This is the Mornwell oral irrigator. So for your dental needs, take this with you to your office, on vacation even. If you're on a business trip, at the gym, anywhere. So check them out. Cool company. A lot of other good things also. And that's it. See you guys back in the next video. Be safe and see ya.